In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to add Bank of America debit card to your Apple Wallet. To add your Bank of America debit card to your Apple Wallet, you just have to follow these steps. First thing, you have to make sure to open up your Apple Wallet, and when you open up your Apple Wallet, then click on the plus button in the upper right hand side corner. Next, what you want to do is, you'll be presented with options like debit card or credit card to add your bank account or Bank of America's debit card details. As you've done it, so you could also scan your QR code. You could also scan or enter the details. That is, you could scan your card with your phone's camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your card, or else if scanning doesn't work, you could choose to enter the card details manually. Enter the card number, name, expiry date, and security code as prompted. And during the process, you may be prompted to verify your information with Bank of America, possibly through their mobile app or verification code as well. After entering the details and reviewing or verifying with Bank of America, review the card information and then add the card to your Apple Wallet. That is how you could go ahead and add Bank of America's debit card to your Apple Wallet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.